Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to download a Chinese TikTok on your Android mobile phone. So as we know, this is the English version of the TikTok. Then we can see a lot of things on the TikTok, and there's actually a Chinese version of the TikTok. So the Chinese version of the TikTok is not called a Chinese TikTok, it's actually called a Douyin. So if you go to your browser and search for Douyin, and this is the website that's going to come up. So if you click on this website, sometimes the website don't show up and you cannot download the APK from this way. But there's also different link over here, and if you click on it, then you can go direct into this is the live stream. So we can go to the live stream website, and over here, if you click on this button over here and choose the second option, this is actually the download of the APK file. But somehow Douyin has actually blocked, I think, outside of China, so you can't just download it this way. So we have to download using another way. We have to use a PC to download it. So we actually have to use a PC and search for Douyin, and then we can just click on the first link over here. And if you want, you can translate to English. If not, then this is the button that we want, and this basically means that to download. So when you click on this download button over here, then this is for the Windows and this is for the Mac. So if you want to download it for the Android or iOS, you have to click this button over here. And if you click on this red button over here, there's a QR code. So we actually have to scan this QR code in order to download it on our mobile phone. So once you scan it on your mobile phone using any kind of scanner, and that will lead you to this website, and this is the direct link to download the APK file. But this link will change often, so I'm not going to post a link over here. So we just click on this, and you'll get prompt with this message. So we'll just click on download anyway, and the file will start to download. So once it's finished downloaded, we'll just click on this, and we have to go to the setting over here, and then we need to click this button over here, allow unknown source, and then we just have to click the agreement over here and click OK to install it. And then we can just install this one. And do not download the APK file from any other website, because this is the direct website of the Douyin, and this will mean that this is safe to download. If you own a Chinese phone like Xiaomi or Huawei, they have their own Chinese web store, and you download it using there is fine. But do not download from any other third-party website, because we don't know what they put inside the APK file. So once that's downloaded, then we can go back to our screen, and there we have it. This is a Chinese TikTok, and we can start watching some interesting thing on the Chinese TikTok. And you'll get prompt with this message. Just click on this one, the red button, which is the agree to the term and condition, and then you can start watching it. And that is how you download a Chinese TikTok Douyin. And you can actually search for any topic that you want, but you can't like or follow anyone yet, because you don't have a account. In the next video, I will show you how to create a Douyin account. And I'll show you what to watch in Douyin. What are the interesting things to watch in the Douyin? So if you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you, and I will see you on the next video.